Hi everyone, in before video we done how to download the assets from asset store. Now in this video we'll talk about how to add assets into our scene. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. First of all, we need to insert background, right? So you can see the nature of the background and you can just takes, and there is no proper background for it, because you can see, just drag and drop here, just drag and drop, you can see this is it, and it should be sprite. Make sure that it should be sprite. Just click this one and you can find it should be sprite, then only we can import. You can see this is not a sprite, we can't import this one. You can see it, we can't import. Just click this one and it's a shader, we can't import. So it's a sprite, every sprite only we can import. So make sure that before importing 2D assets it should be sprite. Just I'm deleting this one. I want to add uh background as a downloaded one. I already downloaded, you can see here, just I am downloaded two backgrounds in, you just in go to Google and search about backgrounds. I got these two backgrounds, just downloaded. Just drag here and drop here, automatically it's become as a sprite. You can see here, it's a sprite. So just drag and drop here and keep it. And you can you can decrease the size also. Of course you can decrease if you want. Just you can decrease the size also. So you can decrease the size and you can resize it. Actually there are some tools here. You can see this is an hand tool. The shortcut is Q. If I select, just I'm selecting another one. In keyboard I'm pressing Q. You can see the hand tool will select. By using hand tool you can move, but the actual movement will not occur. This is the move tool. By using move tool you can see the difference between hand tool and move tool. That means we are moving the sprite. So next one is rotate tool. If you want to rotate the sprite, you can rotate. You can observe here the output also. And next one is it's a scale tool. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size and you can decrease the size. And this is the rect tool. We can position. Just we can do the position, reposition, and we can do all the things. And this is all move tool, rotate tool, scale tool, and all the tool includes in this single tool. So this is the way to do that. Just I set the background here. Now my target is just control. This is the sample scene. Just control as you can see, the star will go on. That means the scene was saved. So yes, now go to creepy cat and add, just add as a platform. First of all, go to floors, add this platform, just drag and drop. And you can see that it's not viewing, because you can see I already added the platform but unable to view. Just select as a one, because it's an important to do this. Actually it's an one, it's a layer. I'll explain in future what is the difference between ordering layer and sorting layer. So just you can see and keep very clearly, and you can see, yes. So this is the way to clear, uh, to position the platform. So just we position the platform, just we position the platform. Now just drag another platform and keep it here. And it's also of course unable to see, keep it as a sorting layer one, and you can keep like this. And this is the way to set all the platform. Just you, otherwise you can just control D. So just control D and keep like this. So this is the way to set the platform. Just control D or control C and control V. You can see everything I set it very clearly. Yes, of course it was clear. So this is the way to set a platform in a 2D object. And now And I want to add the background, some grass and everything also. Just drag and drop, and it's also unable to view. Just keep it as a 1. Yes, 1 also we cannot view. You can keep it as a 2. I think you can able to hear. Just position it and control D. Just position this. Control D. Yes, you can see. So we done that, and now we have to add the tree also. That means background. We need to add anything. Just drag and drop. Unable to view. So just keep it as 1, or you can keep it as a 3. Of course, you can do that. So this is the way adding background, and you can add lot many trees also. Just drag here and keep it as a 3. Yes, this is the way we set a background, and we are having lot many assets also. Go to nature, sorry, go to things. Yes, you can add uh, and keep it as a 3, and you can add this moon also, and you can add stars also. It has 3, and you can add clouds, whatever it may be. So just keep it as. So I added everything to my game view, and of course I'll add the player also. Go to bird and just drag and drop here. You can't see because the layers are very important. So order layer is very important. Actually the background layer order is 0, and we can see this is a 1, and these all are 1, and you can see this all I kept as a 2, 3, and grass I kept as a 2. So like that, for player, just select the player and keep it as a 1. You can see, so platform and player was in same layer. So ordering the layer is very important, and I'll explain about sorting layer also. Just this is the way to setting the that means we are setting adding assets to our scene. So we added all the assets to our scene. I'll come with another video how to add physics and colliders to our sprites.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything